In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts on your Wix website. This simple process will help you customize your website's appearance to better capture your brand's identity or simply refresh your site's aesthetic. Whether you're rebranding, wanting to improve readability, or just making small tweaks, changing fonts in Wix is quite straightforward. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you're already logged into your Wix account, simply select My Site 1 or whichever site you're working on. This is your starting point where you'll have access to make various customizations to your web pages. The Wix editor is user friendly, but make sure you're in a quiet place so you can focus on these creative changes. Once your site opens in the editor, locate the text you want to modify on your desired page. This is important because each section of your website may have different fonts and styles you've set up. Just hover over the text element and you'll notice a light box showing that highlights the text box. Go ahead and click on it so you can begin editing. After your text is selected, you'll see a menu pop up often at the top or side of the Wix interface. Here, look for a button labeled Edit Text. This button is central to accessing the text customization features within Wix. By clicking on Edit Text, you unlock a wide variety of options, including size, color, alignment, and of course our focus today, font selection. Within the text editing options, you'll see the current font displayed as part of the settings. Click on this to reveal a list of all available font styles. Wix offers a robust collection ranging from classic to modern, providing you with all sorts of choices to suit your needs. As you scroll, think about the kind of message you want to convey through your typography. Fonts can evoke emotions and shape perceptions, so choose one that aligns well with your brand. Select the font that best fits your criteria. As soon as you click, you'll see the changes applied instantly in the editor. Take a moment to review the adjustment and ensure it achieves the look and feel you're going for. If it doesn't hit the mark, feel free to experiment with different styles until you find the right one. Remember to check how it looks in different sizes and on various devices to ensure consistency across your site. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've changed the font on your Wix site, enhancing its look to better match your vision. Don't forget to preview your site and publish the changes for your audience to see. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your website.